This is how to create a YouTube Shorts channel for beginners, where I'll be showing you step by step how to create your first channel, upload your first YouTube short, and to kickstart your journey as a content creator to get you one step closer to your goal. Whether you're exploring content creation, interested in YouTube automation, or trying to make money online, this video can be helpful for you. It only takes one YouTube short to gain traction for your channel to blow up. Not to mention, it's super easy to start making shorts. You don't need any fancy camera equipment, just your phone and your laptop. I've seen other creators create shorts channels that make them hundreds and even thousands of dollars each week, and with a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can do it too. If you're an absolute newbie like I was 2 months ago, you might have questions like, how do I get started? How do I edit? How do I add subtitles? How do I post? And not to worry, we will address all of that in this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is David, and I'm a product manager and aspiring entrepreneur just getting started in my own content creation journey. You might be wondering, why should I even create YouTube Shorts in the first place? Recently, as of February 1st of this year, YouTube has enabled eligible partners to start earning money from ads shown to users in between videos. With this, YouTube is providing new opportunities for creators to earn money and to build careers on the platform. With channels that are able to get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views within the last 3 months, they're able to partner with YouTube to make money on Shorts. For some creators, they are unsatisfied with how TikTok pays and have decided to move over to YouTube for better monetization opportunities. With the recent TikTok controversy and talks of it possibly getting banned in the US, it's no wonder why more and more users are moving their content to the YouTube Shorts platform. My prediction is that YouTube Shorts has immense potential for growth and will be the platform to watch in the near future. So now that I've convinced you to make YouTube Shorts, how do you choose a niche? You can start off by looking into your own Shorts feed and seeing what type of content exists. It definitely helps to have a few channels that you follow to take inspiration from. You can also look up which niches pay the most. Some high CPM niches include making money online, health and fitness, and finance. I'd recommend you to choose something that interests you, but if you still don't know in the end, just pick something and run with it. Creating your channel. This is the fun part. Think of a cool or unique channel name, add a profile pic, make a YouTube banner, and then update your about info. If you have trouble creating a channel name, check out businessnamegenerator.com, and if you need ideas for YouTube banners, Canva has a bunch of free templates that you can play around with. Now you have two choices: research and create your own unique content, or make shorts off of already existing clips. Granted that if you're a beginner, it probably makes sense to start with clips that already exist on YouTube. But in the end, this is your channel and you can do whatever you want. Once you found the video that you want to make shorts from, download it to your laptop or PC. For a long time, my go-to site was Y2Mate, which converts YouTube videos into MP4s that you can download to your computer. Another method, which I consider to be the better method, is to download YouTube videos to your laptop or PC with YouTube DL via your command line. Here is a GitHub link with instructions, and here is a link to commands that you can input. It takes a little bit of time to set up, but it's super easy and reliable, so try it out. Once you get used to it, you can start having high quality YouTube videos downloaded directly to your computer in seconds. YouTube DL also has options to download audio only in case you want to download copyright-free music or sound effects you want to use in your videos. Editing. I personally use DaVinci Resolve because it's free, but the process goes the same for Premiere Pro, Final Cut, iMovie, or other video editing softwares. The first thing that I do is to create a rough edit of your YouTube short. After you load the video that you want to edit, go through the video and delete any unwanted parts. In Resolve, use the slicer tool, which is on hotkey B, to go through and cut out any unwanted parts. Press hotkey A to go back to the select tool. On my second pass, I do the same thing, but I tighten it up a little bit more and get rid of any unnecessary pauses. Now we want to switch the video into vertical format, and we have to go through to make sure that every shot is centered on the screen. Use the slicer tool and hotkeys B and A to separate each shot and to adjust accordingly. Once that's done, I usually do a final watch through to make sure that the short looks good. Keep in mind, we're only using less than a minute of content. Anything over a minute will be considered a long form video on YouTube. The last thing is completely optional, but feel free to add a watermark on your video with the name of your channel. So just add a title and bring the opacity down a little bit. Now your video is ready to export. Autocaptions. You could sit there and Resolve and manually add captions for all the dialogue, or you could upload your edited video to CapCut and to use their auto captions feature. It's super easy. Just upload your video, click on title, and click auto captions. This will save you so much time going forward once you get into a good rhythm and workflow of creating shorts. Adjust the subtitles accordingly. I'd recommend using a sans serif font that is bolded and pleasing to the eye. Montserrat is a great font to use. One thing to make sure is that your subtitles aren't too long, because you have to remember that the right margin will be covered on YouTube YouTube Shorts, so just keep that in mind. Also, anything more than 2 rows of subtitles becomes a little too much. Once you're done, just download in HD and you're ready to post. With posting on YouTube, there are a few strategies with title hashtags. Using hashtag shorts only, using 2 niche specific hashtags, or not using hashtags at all. I'd recommend trying out all these out and seeing which videos get more views. Congratulations, now you've officially started your journey as a YouTube content creator. Now try posting 1 to 2 shorts every day for 30 days. You'll be surprised at what you're able to accomplish. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment below. I'd love to see how you all do. If you're interested in seeing how I did creating YouTube Shorts for 30 days, click on this video here.
Stop.